Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jordan, aka Juicesandberries, where I talk about natural hair and self-care. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Ayurvedic natural hair regimen that has literally changed my hair for the better. Not only does it recommend really amazing and nourishing herbs, but it also promotes a more holistic approach to hair care. So if you've been doing all the right things in terms of deep conditioning and moisturizing, you know that your hair can get better, then you're definitely in the right place. So I'm teaming up with Mountain Rose Herbs, who is the largest purveyor of organic herbs on the market. It's so important to make sure that where I'm getting my herbs from is clean, it's organic, they're high quality, and that's what Mountain Rose Herbs is really all about. Make sure you visit mountainroseherbs.com. I have the link below in the description box to get all of your herbs that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are my henna treatment. So henna is an herb that is it's very common in Indian cultures because it has been shown to strengthen the hair. So I mix the henna with a little bit of senna leaf. And I love senna leaf because it adds luster and definition to your hair. And it's just like a really great conditioning herb. And then I use a mixture of green tea and marshmallow root as the liquid to mix the henna with. And I love green tea because it contains caffeine, and the green tea has been known to stimulate growth. And then with a little bit of marshmallow root, because that is really great for just like silkening and making the hair really slip. It just adds more slip. And so I apply that to my hair. Sorry, I have my henna right here, and you saw that I mixed it with everything, and now I'm just going to start applying it to my hair in small sections. Like a little bit, it's a very thick paste, and then on my roots, and then just smooth it down. And it's definitely very strong, and you want to see your curls, your hair just get really saturated with the product, especially your ends and just any parts of your hair that need more protection. And then if it's not going on as smoothly, you can just wet that in and then add it to your hair. Since this is just the straight up henna and the tea, it's a very powerful mixture. So we're going to have to deep condition after in medium-sized sections, and I let this sit for roughly 2 to 3 hours. And then I rinse it out. I make sure I do like my whole conditioning routine because henna can be very drying, so it's really important to follow this up with a deep conditioner. Now, if you're new to henna, if you've never hennaed before, I recommend just adding a little bit into your deep conditioner and do like a gloss treatment and then work your way up to this because it can get pretty intense. So once I'm done with my henna treatment, I just go ahead and I do my normal wash and go process. I decided to use aloe vera gel as my leave-in because my hair absolutely loves aloe. Being that my hair is more vata and it's prone to dryness, the aloe is just so nourishing. And then I follow it up with a oil blend that has jojoba, sesame, extra virgin olive oil, and then a little bit of cranberry seed oil. And this blend is just so amazing. I use it on my hair, I use it on my skin, and it just makes my skin look like it's just glowing from within. Then I follow that up with just a regular curl cream. I'm using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from As I Am, and then my flaxseed gel, which I'll link up here in the notes for this video. And that is my styler. So I still use the lock method, the leave-in oil cream, and then a styler as well. And then once my hair is completely dry, I am left with these soft, really balanced curls that aren't really crunchy. They're just, I just love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first part of my Ayurvedic natural hair series. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would try adding in more herbs, oils into your routine, or if this video has inspired you to maybe even try that. And if you are feeling inspired, please check out mountainroseherbs.com to make sure y'all are getting the best quality of herbs, okay? So again, their link is in the description box. Thank you so much, Mountain Rose Herbs, for sponsoring this video and giving me just the best herbs that are really out there on the market. So I'll catch you guys in my next video, and I am just so grateful for you for watching. Bye.